General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, today in the books, Friday the 22nd. The anchor point was Tuesday. It wasn't really an expansion day. We did get determinants today. We didn't get previous week's high this whole week. Just looked like price was being held. Even look at week 3 and then week 4. Show you like inside week behavior. Job rating around EQ. Take a look. Didn't close, but we grabbed that liquidity here and didn't take previous week's high. Same choppy week on SPX. No all-time high over here either. Same liquidity grab. People that's looking for all-time high probably sad. Look at the SPY. Wednesday was the only real good day. Tuesday low of the week, expand. Respect this kid body, expand. Doji day. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all pushed. It's QQQ. Basically the same as SPY. NVIDIA. NVIDIA had the weirdest, being the heaviest weighted. If this would have pumped, we would have cleared all-time high, but people profit taking. See, earnings didn't even pump. Day after earning, we didn't even get Monday high. This is where the best profit taking, like last week, Friday. Yeah. No, this is last week, Thursday. A week before earnings, they cashed out. And you trade today. It wasn't really no TGIF. We needed an extended weekly profile. And then those extended weekly profiles, those Haven't really been TGIFing lately. This week was more about week 4 log, rotational delivery. Next week, keep going. We kind of expected that with how the week's been going. Today wasn't going to be nothing. So we picked a good day to skip. And tomorrow's a study day. So that's all the chart work for Friday completed. All right, peace.